20 hottest countries in the world based on their average annual temperature. Rank 20 Palau, 19 Sweden, 18 South Sweden. Rank 17 Guinea-Bissau, 16 Marshall Island, 15 Qatar. Rank 14 Benin, 13 Niger. Rank 12 Maldives. Rank 11 UAE. Rank 10 Gambia. Rank 9 Curaçao. Rank 8 Djibouti. Rank 7 Tuvalu. Rank 6 Tokelau. Rank 5 Mauritania. Rank 4 Senegal. Rank 3 Aruba. Rank 2 Mali. And on the top, Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso is the hottest country in the world. Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel for more informative videos.